எல்லா வசதிகளும் உள்ளடக்கிய உள்ளதை செல்வோம் நல்லதை செய்வோம் பொன்னி மருத்துவமனை, திருச்சி ரோட், பல்லடம்.
கோவில் இல்லா ஊரில் குடியிருக்க வேண்டாம் என்றனர் பெரியோர்கள். காஷ்மீர் டு கன்னியாகுமரி 4 ட்ராக் சாலையிலிருந்து வந்தவாசி செல்லும் இப்பகுதியில் இல்லாத வசதிகளே கிடையாது. நம்ம ஸ்ரீ சக்தி VIP கார்டன் வந்து பாருங்க, வாங்காம போக மாட்டீங்க.
வெற்றிவேல் 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 வீரவேல் வெற்றிவேல் வீரவேல் வெற்றி வெற்றி வெற்றிவேல்
வெற்றி வெற்றி வெற்றிவேல்
வீரா வீரா வீரவேல்
வீர வீர வீரவேல்.
CM and Deputy CM of Tamil Nadu, NDA leaders, Karyakartas, sisters and brothers of Madurai, Vanakkam. Nalla irkingda. Madurai Vandadil Yenakka Mikka Magelji. This is the land of the Meenakshi Amman temple. I bow to Meenakshi Amman and Bhagavan Sundareshwar. Yesterday, I had the blessed opportunity to pray at the Meenakshi temple. I will cherish those special moments for the rest of my life. Coming here to Punya Bhumi and Veer Bhumi, South Tamil Nadu, I bow to the Algar temple, the Kudulu Algar temple, Tiruparan Kundrum Murugan temple. Madurai is a main center of the glorious Tamil culture. This land is closely associated with the world's oldest language, Tamil. In Madurai, one thinks about the Tamil Sangams. Tamil literature is full of wisdom. I want to appreciate all those working to make Tamil culture and literature more popular. This land had a great influence on Mahatma Gandhi. I pay my tributes to the great Muthu Ramalinga Thevar, the brave Marad Pandyar, the courageous Veera Pandya Kattabomman, the respected Emmanuel Sekanar, the visionary VOC, the statesman K. Kamaraj, the brilliant NMR Subraman,
தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணியினுடைய தலைவர்களே,
region have a strong mind and a big heart. Centuries ago, many people from Saurashtra in my home state of Gujarat came here. There is also a large Telugu community here since many years. The way Madurai has accepted them is a perfect example of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat.
நண்பர்களே,
Tamil Nadu and especially Madurai has a special association with MGR. Madurai Viran. Who can forget this film? We all know who was among those who lent his voice to MGR. It was T.M. Sundararajan. In 1980s, Congress dismissed MGR's democratically elected government. Elections were called and MGR won from the Madurai West seat. The people of Madurai stood behind him like a rock. In 1977, 1980 and 1984, MGR won from place around this region. His vision for an inclusive and prosperous society inspires us.
நண்பர்களே, தென் தமிழகம் என்றால் அதற்கு
Guided by the mantras of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, the NDA government is working to bring a positive change in the lives of 130 crore Indians. For Tamil Nadu and especially southern Tamil Nadu, we want to focus on infrastructure, irrigation, investment. From the Red Fort last year, I had said that the government of India is going to spend rupees 100 lakh crore for creation of next generation infrastructure. This will cater to the needs of not only the present but also the future generations. In this year's Union budget, a series of economic corridors have been announced. Our stage is the Madurai-Kollam corridor. Funds allocated for railway infra projects in Tamil Nadu have increased by a record 238% compared to 2009. Many big projects have been completed in the last 7 years. In the coming years, we want even better metro, road, rail and air connectivity. The NDA government is also ramping up the digital infrastructure across India. Work is underway to provide high-speed broadband to every village of India. Last year, the cabinet approved the PM Vani scheme. This will improve Wi-Fi availability across India. It will also further ease of doing business and ease of living. By improving infrastructure, more tourists can come here and discover this city.
நண்பர்களே,